Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to grow some mushrooms, and it takes us 10 days to grow them, and me and my mom are going to be doing it together.
All right.
Hold on. Okay.
So you come with a spray bottle here. You got to use that.
And then we
have probably instruction manual or recipes.
And then here are the mushrooms in here.
Okay, so go ahead and take the bag out. So it looks like our mushrooms have already started trying to grow. Maybe, I don't know.
I don't know.
Let me see what's in here.
I'm trying not to.
Okay, we're gonna get this out in just a second. I don't know if that's supposed. So we don't know. We've never done this before, so I have no clue if it's supposed to have what looks to be the mushrooms already growing out or not.
Yeah, and I actually didn't expect it to actually have like a bag and then like stuff inside of it. I don't know what this is like. I don't know what that is. And I was like a little confused when I saw it at first, but then I was like, oh.
So we're gonna go ahead and do what it says. It says to soak it overnight. So go ahead and place it in the water, Ava.
All right.
I guess lay it down.
And then we will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
So here's the thing. I don't know if we did this correctly initially, but the instructions say to put the, before you soak it in the water, you're supposed to cut an X, which I did that, and scrape something. I don't know. The instructions are kind of vague. But at any rate, you put it back in the box, and then you're going to take this little spray bottle and spray water on it daily. But since we just put it in the box last night, I'm going to go ahead and let it sit in indirect sunlight. So we will spray later, and then we will keep an eye on the growth. So it has been, this is day 2. You're supposed to spray it daily with this little mister thing. And I did spray it yesterday. So I'm gonna put, it said 2 sprays, but I'm doing more than 2 because I'm extra. But you can see that it does appear to be starting to grow. So we may just get some mushrooms after all. All right, so I think I officially initiated this project on Wednesday of last week, but I needed to let it set for an additional day because I didn't start it right. So we are on Tuesday, so this is about 4 days actual for it to grow, and this is what we have for today. I believe it's Saturday maybe. We actually set it out. I'll get the dates right. But anyway, this is what we have growing right now. Quite a bit. Okay, guys, so this is the next day. And this is what they look like. If you remember, they were really tiny, kind of like these at the bottom. And this is overnight growth. That is ridiculous. Okay, this is the next day check-in for the mushrooms. So they are absolutely growing every day. This is ridiculous. So I'm not really sure what the formula behind this is, but they are growing. Okay, here's a new day. These are the mushrooms again. So they have gotten pretty big. However, I don't know how edible these are going to be because these are like hard. I've been keeping them sprayed, but they're super hard. And the real ones that you buy in the store are not hard like this. So not sure, we'll see. So here's the verdict on our little experiment. As you can see, the mushrooms did grow pretty quickly, I might add, but mine dried up. So I don't really know if they, well, I know they're not gonna be edible because I'm not gonna eat them like that. But as far as them growing out of the kit, they absolutely do grow. Something happened along the way, maybe too much sunlight. I don't know, but mine dried up. So I don't think we'll be eating these. But anyway, it's a cool little activity. If you get one and you try it and yours actually do grow to where you can cook them, that would be awesome. All right. You all have a great day.